Hey guys, it's Kiara from My Digital Affiliate, and today we are going to continue on making money on Clickbank the easiest way possible by using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, if you don't know, My Lead Gen Secrets is a system in which you can mail 100 you get 100 leads every single day that you can mail every single day. So, the first day you in, you get 100. The next day you in, you get 200. You got 200, so on and so forth. It just keeps adding up. Last mail I sent was to 26,000 people. So, also if you get a sale on My Lead Gen Secrets, you get bonus leads every day. So you get 200 leads a day, right? All right. So today we're gonna promote. We're gonna promote an item on Clickbank. I still think this is the easiest way to make money on Clickbank. So we're gonna promote this item on Clickbank. This is day 30 of, I believe. So I believe this is gonna be the last day here for this series here, unless I get a lot of people saying, "Hey, I want you to continue doing that." But I think it's pretty much ran its course. It's pretty much copy paste. Real simple to do, and it ain't much else I can say about it. All right, so what I'm gonna do here, go here to Clickbank. Now, what you want to do on Clickbank, you want to click on e-business and e-marketing, because people who sign up on My Lead Gen Secrets are more interested in making money online than anything else. Now, employment and jobs could work, but this is the one I know works for sure. You click on this and you go with this item here. This first product here is doing so well with My Lead Gen Secrets. This second one does well as well, but this first one does really well. So I stick to this one personally. All right, so basically we'll click on this. We'll try to get an email here, but I'm gonna do something a little different today, just to make it a little different. Instead of sending one of those emails, I'm gonna send an email I already sent. So to do that, let's look at which my best performing email was. This one right here that got 400 clicks. So we're gonna send this one again. So let's just send that one again. Go to mailing system here. I'm gonna click on that. It was $950 a week. YouTube wants to hire you. Don't pick the first number. We'll take this out. Let's pick. As you can see, we got the same email here. We're just gonna keep it like that. Just change it up a little bit. Same email pretty much. Let's see how well this does. This is my best performing email on sent so far. 400 clicks. That's a lot. All right, so that's the one I'm gonna focus on. And let's look at what it looks like here. All right, so the link works. So we're just gonna send this email here, and we're gonna leave it at that, I think. Make sure to click on perfect timing. Perfect timing means that you make sure that you send the email around the time that they like to check email. So it's a really good time to send the email. So let's just go ahead and hit send email here. I think I did pretty well. Let's rescan it. Look at it. Do we want to change the title any? Now we'll leave it like it is. I just want to see how it performs. It's only been about 5 days since I sent this email. I want to see if it performs really well again and get some sales again. So that's what I'll do. Even though technically this is the last day of this challenge here. We are on day 30. I said I'd do it for a month, and it's been a month. So I kind of want to figure out what to do next. And we're gonna send an email. Let's go and send it. All right, so now that we done sent the email here, now that we done sent the email, there we go. we got 23 hours until we can send another email. So wait a day, right? But we can send another email, and that's how it works. So I want to talk about something to you guys. Lately, I've been promoting this offer called Saving Highway Global. What Saving Highway Global is a system set up to help you lower your bills. It's all about saving money in general, saving money in a bunch of different things. And you can sign in. You can start with just $20. start building recurring income. So it's a huge deal when you get a sale on Saving Highway Glow, because you can save a ton of money on recurring income. And so you make money every month as long as the person stay in the system. You don't just get one sale, you keep making money off of them. So that's why I promote it. You could just start with $20. Now if you want to make all of your money, you go with $100. You can afford $100, go with it. But you can just start with 20. You don't have to jump in at $100. You can start at 20. But once you get them sales, you keep making them sales. That's the great thing about it, and works better than Clickbank because each sale is worth so much more because it's recurring. So you building up your income when you get sales with it. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna have a link in that in the description as well. So I mean, that's about it, guys. Not too much else to talk about. That's all we can do. It was a fun series to run with you guys. I loved it. I'll bring it back if you guys are very interested in me bringing it back. But I think this is the end, guys. Really boosted my this channel here. I know it's a very small channel, but this really boosted it quite a bit actually. Got a lot of views and stuff with it. Well, more than I thought I would. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I thought I'd get like 4 or 5 views a video, but my old videos are at like view 71, 72, and I got a bunch of views. I know that sounds low, but you gotta understand it's just starting the channel, so you can do the same thing. This channel has right now. This channel is making around $6 a month. Around somewhere between $6 a month and $1 and $6 a month. So I say on average about $3 or $4 a month. Think about that. Now I'm not monetized yet, but I could still check and see how much money I'd be making if I was monetized. I'm already at $6 a month on average. I know that don't sound like a lot, but it's just something to consider. That's added income you can do, and these videos are very easy to make. But yeah, check out Saving Highway Glow. Get that started. Use my lead gen secrets for your traffic, and you'll benefit a whole lot. Remember that. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.